Most women struggle to just get started on their weight loss journey. So I want to give you 2 powerful tips that are going to get you off to the right start and help rock your weight loss journey. Okay, tip number 1 is you have to create a plan centered around your lifestyle and what's going to work for you. Benjamin Franklin has this great quote that says, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So you have to create a plan. It's super important that is centered around what's going to work for you and your lifestyle. Okay, tip number 2 is that you have to plan for challenges that may come up along your journey. In fact, most challenges you'll experience on your journey will come up within the first 90 days. It's very common. Everyone experiences challenges. So you have to know what those challenges may be and how you plan to push through them and overcome them so that you can stay on your plan. Some of these challenges are things like cravings, hunger pains, negative self-talk, emotional eating, all of these things. When you know what they are, you have to plan for how you plan to overcome them. Okay, super, super important. Do these 2 things and I promise you, you will get off to the right start in your weight loss journey. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, drop a comment down below. Let me know how I can support you. Send me a DM, let's connect, and also make sure you tag a friend who can also benefit from this information and get started with you because we are better together. I'll talk to you soon.